Great things often have small beginnings. A delicate journey with MASH Premier building blocks, exploring the mystery of each new drug. AIDS New Hope is our daily commitment at MASH Premier. Since 1986, MASH Pharma had been found serving customers in derma, cosmetic, and personal care sector. At 2006, we directed our efforts toward the pharmaceutical field, starting with 15 products manufactured at our new facility. Starting from 2011, we started a new area in pharmaceutical market, building commercial business units for CNS and urology products. Adding in 2012, 4 new business units: GIT, antibiotics, dermatology, and OTC drugs. In order to cover patient and market needs, we decided to construct our second facility, Biomed, for solid cephalosporin antibiotics manufacturing. 2014 and 2015 was our leap in the market by launching 42 new products in the generic pharmaceutical market. 2016 expanded coverage over many therapeutic areas with a special focus on chronic disease medications. In 2017, we started constructing our third facility on 4,000 square meters that contains a dedicated area for oncology products. In addition to new expansion in Biomed production lines for semi-solid preparation to catch up with our growing dermatology portfolio. In addition to a dedicated area for sterile cephalosporin antibiotics to be launched next year. Now we're offering more than 180 medications covering almost all therapeutic areas as antiviral, cardiovascular, central nervous system, gastroenterology, antifungals, antibiotics, antidiabetics, orthopedic, dermatology, OTC drugs, and urology. Nowadays, MASH Premier is the fastest growing pharmaceutical company in the MENA region. The painstaking effort was behind the provision of hepatitis C treatment to enable each patient to be cured regardless his income level worldwide. By launching Soflanorc, Declanorc, and Soflanorc Plus to cover all available international treatment protocols. Proud to be honored by WHO for our unique contribution in hepatitis C eradication campaigns and screening of undiagnosed patients, which helped in curing about 1.5 million patients in Egypt. Undeniable level of quality is our main target, using advanced and validated testing equipment to guarantee the quality of our products, sticking to GLP. Research and development teams follow the most advanced schemes and innovators reverse engineering, reaching similarities in rate and extent with the brand products. We're generating new medicines, filling therapeutic gaps, helping more patients. R&D team capabilities have expanded our range of excellence, not only to tablets, capsules, liquids, ointments, and creams, but also to a wider range of new effective dosage forms that improve patient compliance. Although significant advances have been made in the past, we're still working to fill more therapeutic gaps in the market to serve a wider range of patients. Mash Premier. We build the trust.